Nang datna ng routine maritime patrol ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources pasado alas 6 ng umaga, ang Baho de Masinloc nakapalibot na sa bahura ang hindi bababa sa 25 barko ng China Coast Guard at Chinese Maritime Militia vessel. Maya-maya pa nagsagawa ng radio challenge ang China.
This is China Coast Guard Vessel River 6. We are conducting a routine patrol in accordance with the law in the waters of Huangya Island of the People's Republic of China.
Agad ding sumagot ang BFAR.
You must take leave of our route and are reminded of your obligation for safe conduct by the 1972 International Regulation Preventing Collision at Sea and the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea.
Bandang alas 8 ng umaga, nag-shadowing na ang China Coast Guard Vessel 3306 sa gilid ng sinasakyan nating Multi-Mission Offshore Vessel o MMOV na Datu Bangkaya. 19 nautical miles ang layo natin mula sa Baho de Masinloc.